Hi lovelies, karibu sana to my YouTube channel. My name is Glynis. Thank you so much for joining us if you're new here. If you're a returning viewer, asante sana. And just to give you a brief overview, I am a YouTuber who talks about law school and a whole lot more. And in today's video, we'll be talking about things that you should do before joining law school. So let's get into it. Say you should do before joining law school is taking a gap year. Here in Kenya, when you finish high school in November, what you do is you stay at home till September of the next year, which is give or take 9-10 months, which is a very good amount of time to determine whether or not you want to join law school. Now, you might decide to join school in May if you are really sure this is something that you want to do, but my advice is during those 10 months, take an opportunity to know some lawyers or some judges and just do a bit of job shadowing. Now, I know job shadowing usually happens when you've already studied the course and you want to learn about the job, but for the law, I advise you to job shadow as early as possible, because with job shadowing, it means you know what you're signing up for way before. It gives you the frame of mind of understanding, okay, I have seen this judge at work, I have seen this lawyer at work, is this something that I can do? The second thing that you need to do when you're thinking about joining law school is check out the law schools around you. Now, this could be where you live, this could be in the city, this could be abroad. Try and know about these law schools as much as possible. You could do it online, you could physically visit the school, you could call the school. And this is important so that you know how many units they offer, what modules they have, how their hours are, whether they're fully accredited or not, whether you like the student culture there, especially if you go and physically visit the school, whether you know someone who went there. As I said in the how I picked my uni video, it's very important for this to be a process that you undertake as a student. Don't go somewhere because your dad went there or your mom went there. Go somewhere because you feel that this is the best fit for you. If you want to go to an Ivy League renowned school or a very small university that you feel is compact and has an amazing culture, do this and make this decision on your own. The third and probably the most important thing you should do before you even join law school is to understand your why. Why do you want to join law school? Why do you think law school is a good fit for you? Why do you think you want to be a lawyer or an advocate in future? This can't be something that you're doing for someone else, because law school as it is quite a lot. It's a lot of reading, it's a lot of understanding concepts that are very complex. Your why is what will keep you going on the tough days. Do you want to change the world? Do you want to create a better justice system? Do you want to be a prosecutor? Do you want to be rich? Do you want to own a law firm? These are very important things, and this is something that happened in our first week in undergrad, where basically we were asked, why did you pick law school? Some people said they wanted to be rich, some people said they wanted to find out the truth, some people said that they wanted to change the world. Understand your why before you even sign up for law school. The fourth thing that is not very popular, but I definitely think you should do it, is please watch court proceedings. This is particularly if you're interested in litigation and you have been watching Suits and The Good Wife and How to Get Away with Murder. Watch litigation in the country that you are in. So if you're in Kenya, just go to YouTube and find court proceedings which are there, so that you understand this is not going to be a How to Get Away with Murder episode when you're in practice. Please watch these proceedings, because as you will realize, court proceedings are like what we watched in Georgia Mahakamani. Find ways to know how this particular area works before you sign on to law school. Fifth, and probably what you should do immediately, is make a friend with someone who's already in law school. Now, when you're in law school, you probably know someone who went to law school, or your friend knows someone who went to law school. Try and get in touch with them so that they can give you a general idea or advice in how you can navigate law school. This is important because as human beings, we're very social and we value personalized relationship. You can make a friend, make two friends, and get their view and idea of how law school was and how they enjoyed the experience, and if they didn't enjoy the experience, how they think they would have made the experience better. The final tip, and when you are ready to sign up for law school, please make sure you have the requisite grades. I talked about this in a previous video that I will link up here or down below. Law school is very intense when it comes to grades, so if you want to be placed by the COOPs, you need to have straight A's, just aim for straight A's and very high cluster points. If you want to be placed, if you want to go for private sponsorship, then you know you need to have your C+ and your B in English and in Kiswahili. So please make sure you have the requisite grades, sorry, not in English and Kiswahili, in English or Kiswahili, one of the languages. Please make sure you have the requisite grades. If you don't have them, please do the bridging. Do the bridging and solve so many problems ahead of time before you go to law school and then you're told you can't join, or you join law school and then there's an issue and you have to go back and fix that. So fix that as soon as possible. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much guys for watching. I really do appreciate you guys. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with someone who's thinking about joining law school so that they get this in order, so that they don't have to join law school and then midway realize this is not for me. Ask them these questions, have them do some of these things, and then when they sign up to law school, they can be 100% sure this is something they want to do, this is a career they want to explore. As usual, please don't forget to be kind to others and most importantly to yourself. Like this video if you enjoyed it, give it a comment down below on what you would do before joining law school, and subscribe in case you haven't. Until the next video, bye guys.